We want to find the area of this triangle. So first of all, let's draw the triangle. Alpha is 13, beta is 17, and A is 5, and A's got to be opposite alpha. And A has to be opposite alpha, so that side is 5. So if we want to know the area of a triangle, area is 1/2 the base times the height. So let's put the height in there. The height in there would be something like this. We can figure out this top angle if we needed it. That's going to be 150 degrees. But the problem is we don't have the height, and in fact we don't have the base either. But let's look at these triangles and see what we can figure out. So the outermost blue triangle is the oblique triangle. When I dropped an altitude down to make the height, I formed two right triangles. If I use this right triangle that's to the right, I'm going to trace it in green so you can see the triangle I'm going to use. I want to know the height, and I've got an angle inside, and the height is one of the sides I want to find, and I have another side 5, which is the hypotenuse of that right triangle. So I can use right triangle trig and find h, because sine of 17 degrees is going to be opposite, which is h, over hypotenuse, which is 5. So h is 5 sine of 17, which I could punch buttons and find out what that was, or just use it when I need it. I'll do the calculator stuff at the end. Okay, so now I need to know this base right here. And for that one, I'm going to need to, because it's all along the side of that oblique triangle, I'm going to need to use the law of sines to find that base. So I'm going to set up, and let's call it B over the angle opposite it is 150 degrees, and that needs to equal, let's take our angle side opposite at pair, that's 5 over the sine of 13 degrees. So if I multiply the sine 150 over here, I've got B. B is 5 sine 150 divided by sine 13. So now I have everything I need to get the triangle's area. It's 1/2 the base, which is 5 sine of 150 over sine of 13, and then times the height, which is 5 sine 17. So I just need to punch buttons now, and I should have that area. So let's go ahead and do that. And rounding to 1 decimal place, I get 8.1, and this, it doesn't say, it's just called units, so it's units squared now since we have area.